Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit the confirm your subscription email in Klaviyo. This is an essential step for customizing your brand's first impression when someone subscribes to your email list. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you directly to your Klaviyo dashboard, where you'll manage all your email marketing activities. Now, once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Find and click on Audience. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your subscribers and how they interact with your brand. After clicking on Audience, you'll see several options appear. From these, select Growth Tools. This is where Klaviyo houses all the features designed to help you build and engage your subscriber base effectively. Within the Growth Tools section, scroll down until you find Customize Subscribe and Preference Pages. Right beside this option, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up all the customization settings for your subscription pages and emails. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices. You can either customize pages for a specific list or set up account default pages that apply across all your lists. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on Account Default Pages. This ensures that any changes you make will be applied universally unless you override them for specific lists later. Now, look for the section labeled Email Confirmation. Right beside it, you'll see an option that says Edit Page. Click on this to open the Email Confirmation Editor. This is where the magic happens. You're now in the customization interface where you can fully personalize your confirmation email. Start by changing the text to match your brand's voice and messaging. You can modify the wording to make it more engaging or informative for your new subscribers. Next, you can change the button color to align with your brand colors. This visual consistency helps reinforce brand recognition right from the start. Beyond just text and button colors, you can adjust various styles, including the background color, width, and corner radius of elements. These design tweaks might seem small, but they contribute significantly to creating a polished, professional look that resonates with your audience. Don't overlook the email subject line either. You can edit this to make it more compelling and increase open rates. A clear, friendly subject line sets the right expectations and encourages engagement. If you feel like the default template is too basic, you can add more blocks to your email. Klaviyo allows you to insert additional content sections, images, or even social media links to create a richer experience for your subscribers. Once you've made all your desired changes and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make it live. Click on the Publish button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will save and activate your customized confirmation email. And that's it. You've successfully customized your subscription confirmation email in Klaviyo, creating a more branded and engaging experience for your new subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.